Choosing the best window replacement options for patio doors in Lafayette starts with matching performance, style, and budget to your home's needs. Homeowners searching for residential window replacement for patio doors in Lafayette often want a solution that improves curb appeal while also lowering drafts and utility bills. The most durable window materials for patio doors usually include vinyl, insulated glass, and weather-resistant framing systems built for Louisiana humidity. For older homes and newer builds alike, custom-sized residential window replacement can solve fit issues while delivering a cleaner finish. If your goal is long-lasting window replacement for homes, prioritize low-maintenance materials, energy-efficient patio door window replacement, and products designed for local climate demands in Lafayette, Louisiana. Many homeowners also choose to coordinate these upgrades with * patio doors Lafayette * specialists recommend for improved aesthetics and performance. Signs you need patio door window replacement often show up as fogged glass, hard-to-open panels, air leaks, cracked seals, or rising energy costs. In many homes, double-pane patio door glass replacement can restore insulation without changing the entire door, while triple-pane windows for patio doors may be the better choice for maximum thermal performance. Homeowners comparing residential glass replacement for sliding doors should also watch for warped frames and moisture around the sill, which can indicate deeper damage. When your patio doors in Lafayette feel drafty or no longer close properly, it may be time to evaluate window frame replacement for patio doors, especially if you want better comfort, security, and noise reduction. Energy-efficient residential window replacement Lafayette, LA projects should focus on glass coatings, frame quality, and proper sealing. Low-E glass replacement for patio doors is one of the most effective upgrades because it helps reflect heat and reduces solar gain in hot weather. Homeowners in Lafayette, Louisiana low-E patio door glass options can benefit from cooler interiors and lower HVAC strain. If you are comparing energy-efficient patio door window replacement choices, ask about insulated glass units, warm edge spacers, and weatherproof patio door window installation methods. The right system can also improve how to improve patio door insulation, making the home more comfortable during humid summers and cooler winter nights across Lafayette Parish. How to choose replacement windows for patio doors depends on the layout of the opening, the age of the home, and the desired style. Modern patio door replacement window styles include sleek sliding panels, classic frame designs, and minimalist glass-forward looks that suit renovation projects in Lafayette, Louisiana. For homeowners seeking replacement windows for older homes, the best option may be a design that preserves architectural character while upgrading efficiency. Vinyl window replacement for patio doors is popular because it resists moisture, requires little upkeep, and delivers strong value. If you want a clean, modern look with practical performance, modern patio door replacement solutions Lafayette, Louisiana often blend style, insulation, and durability in one package. These features pair exceptionally well with modern * patio doors Lafayette * homeowners select to enhance indoor-outdoor living spaces. Cost of replacing patio door windows varies based on glass type, frame condition, labor, and whether the job requires custom work. A cost estimate for patio door replacement Lafayette, Louisiana should account for both materials and installation complexity, especially for homes needing custom patio door window installation Lafayette Parish. Affordable patio door glass replacement Lafayette can be a smart path when the frame is still in good shape, while complete replacements may be better for severely damaged systems. Homeowners comparing the cost of replacing patio door windows should also factor in future energy savings, reduced maintenance, and improved resale value. In many cases, residential window replacement project planning helps avoid surprise expenses and keeps the upgrade on budget. Professional patio door window installation tips can make a major difference in performance and lifespan. Proper measurement is essential, which is why how to measure patio door replacement windows should be handled carefully before ordering any materials. Even the best product can fail if the opening is out of square or the seal is poor. Licensed patio door installers in Lafayette, Louisiana understand local building needs and can help with weather-resistant patio door windows in Lafayette that stand up to rain, humidity, and heat. For homeowners seeking reliable patio door frame and glass replacement, Lafayette, hiring experienced window replacement specialists. Lafayette, Louisiana ensures accurate fit, smooth operation, and strong long-term results. Sliding patio door window replacement guide steps usually begin with inspection, followed by sizing, product selection, and professional installation. Residential sliding door replacement in Lafayette Parish often involves comparing frame materials, glass thickness, and locking systems to improve comfort and security. The best residential window replacement company in Lafayette should offer clear recommendations on durable window materials for patio doors and provide options for custom home window replacement near Lafayette, Louisiana. If your priority is appearance, energy savings, and function, home window and patio door upgrade Lafayette, LA projects can transform a living space. Many homeowners also search for local home improvement window services Lafayette Parish when they need dependable service with regional expertise. Soundproof patio door window replacement is an excellent choice for homes near busy roads, commercial areas, or active neighborhoods in Lafayette. Thicker insulated glass, tight seals, and well-built frames can reduce outside noise while improving indoor comfort. Residential glass door installation Lafayette Parish also benefits from upgraded hardware and precise leveling, which helps prevent rattling and air leakage over time. For homeowners comparing best window replacement options for patio doors, sound control should be considered alongside thermal efficiency and design. In many cases, the best residential window replacement company in Lafayette will recommend a combination of double-pane patio door glass replacement and enhanced framing for a balanced upgrade. Best time to replace patio door windows is often during mild weather, when installation crews can work efficiently and sealing materials cure properly. That timing can also help homeowners complete residential window replacement project planning without interrupting daily routines. In Lafayette, Louisiana, spring and fall are often ideal for residential patio door window replacement Lafayette, Louisiana because the weather is more predictable and indoor comfort is easier to maintain. If your system is damaged, emergency patio door glass installation Lafayette, Louisiana may be necessary before a full replacement can be scheduled. For long-term value, homeowners looking for replacement windows for homes in Lafayette, Louisiana should consider energy-efficient patio door window replacement, custom-sized residential window replacement, and professional installation from trusted local patio door window installers Lafayette, Louisiana. Energy-efficient patio door window replacement in Lafayette, Louisiana can lower utility bills and improve year-round comfort, especially in homes exposed to hot summers and humidity. Low-E glass replacement for patio doors, double-pane patio door glass replacement, and triple-pane windows for patio doors help reduce heat transfer, while weatherproof patio door window installation and patio door seal replacement services in Lafayette improve performance. Homeowners looking for energy-efficient residential window replacement. Lafayette, LA often compare durable window materials for patio doors, vinyl window replacement for patio doors, and long-lasting window replacement for homes to find the best balance of efficiency and durability. Signs you need patio door window replacement usually show up as drafts, condensation between panes, sticking tracks, chipped glass, or visible frame damage. In older properties, replacement windows for older homes and window frame replacement for patio doors can restore both comfort and curb appeal. If you need residential glass replacement for sliding doors or emergency patio door glass installation Lafayette, Louisiana, acting quickly helps prevent further damage. For homeowners asking how to improve patio door insulation, the answer often starts with better glass packages, tighter seals, and modern patio door replacement window styles. The cost of replacing patio door windows depends on size, glass type, frame condition, and whether custom-sized residential window replacement is needed. Lafayette homeowners often request a cost estimate for patio door replacement Lafayette, Louisiana before comparing affordable patio door glass replacement Lafayette with full patio door frame and glass replacement Lafayette. Residential window replacement project planning should include labor, materials, and installation complexity, especially for custom patio door window installation Lafayette Parish or residential sliding door replacement in Lafayette Parish. Choosing licensed patio door installers in Lafayette, Louisiana can help reduce costly mistakes. How to choose replacement windows for patio doors starts with measuring accurately, selecting the right frame material, and matching the design to your home. A sliding patio door window replacement guide should cover how to measure patio door replacement windows, best window replacement options for patio doors, and professional patio door window installation tips. For modern homes and historic properties alike, custom home window replacement near Lafayette, Louisiana and replacement windows for homes in Lafayette, Louisiana should balance appearance, thermal efficiency, and everyday usability. Homeowners often prefer modern patio door replacement solutions Lafayette, Louisiana for smoother operation and better light control. Residential window replacement for patio doors in Lafayette should be tailored to local weather, noise, and style preferences. Soundproof patio door window replacement can be a smart upgrade for homes near busy streets, while weather-resistant patio door windows in Lafayette perform better through seasonal storms and humidity. Best time to replace patio door windows is typically before peak weather stress, but urgent damage may require immediate service from sliding glass door replacement services near Lafayette, Louisiana. For a polished look, Lafayette, Louisiana low-E patio door glass and modern patio door replacement window styles can elevate both function and resale value. Window replacement contractors in Lafayette, Louisiana for patio doors should offer precise installation, honest recommendations, and options for every budget. Whether you need residential patio door window replacement Lafayette, Louisiana, house window replacement and patio doors Lafayette, Louisiana, or residential glass door installation Lafayette Parish, the right team will help with energy-efficient residential window replacement Lafayette, Louisiana, custom patio door window installation Lafayette Parish, and best residential window replacement company in Lafayette Solutions. From patio doors Lafayette projects to full home window and patio door upgrade Lafayette, Louisiana plans, experienced window replacement specialists Lafayette, LA can deliver results that last.